back to Cars Jade, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of new and upcoming cars. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: the future of SUV design in 2025. SUVs have dominated the market for years, evolving from rugged off-road machines to luxurious, high-tech family haulers. But what does the future hold for these vehicles? From cutting-edge electrification and autonomous features to bold design choices and improved aerodynamics, 2025 is shaping up to be a transformative year for SUVs. Stick around as we explore the biggest trends set to redefine the segment. The shift toward electric SUVs is undeniable. Automakers are prioritizing electrification like never before, with hybrid and fully electric SUVs becoming the norm rather than the exception. Companies like Tesla, Rivian, Ford, and Hyundai are pushing boundaries with extended range capabilities, faster charging times, and innovative battery technologies. Expect to see more EV SUVs exceeding 300 miles per charge, as well as improved charging infrastructure making long-distance travel easier. A prime example of this shift is the 2025 Kia EV9, an all-electric three-row SUV that blends futuristic styling with a long-range battery. Similarly, the 2025 Chevrolet Blazer EV and 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 7 are setting new benchmarks in electric performance and practicality. Gone are the days of boxy SUVs with inefficient designs. Automakers are now focusing on sleek, aerodynamic Chapesto enhance fuel efficiency and reduce drag. Expect flush door handles, coupe-like rooflines, and active grille shutters to become common features in 2025 SUVs. These design elements not only improve range for EVs but also boost performance for gas-powered models. Take the 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV as an example. It embraces a smooth, curvy exterior designed to cut through the air effortlessly. Similarly, the next-gen BMW X5 is rumored to integrate active aerodynamics for a sportier yet more efficient ride. The future of SUV design is all about blending style with functionality. The cabins of 2025 SUVs are transforming into tech-savvy, futuristic spaces. Expect to see massive infotainment screens, AI-powered assistants, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, that take convenience to the next level. Automakers are focusing on seamless connectivity, over-the-air updates, and gesture-based controls, making driving more intuitive than ever. For instance, the 2025 Tesla Model X continues to push the envelope with its yoke-style steering wheel and full touchscreen interface. Meanwhile, brands like Genesis and Audi are incorporating holographic displays and augmented reality navigation to enhance the driving experience. The future of SUV interiors is all about personalization, automation, and immersive technology. While luxury and tech are evolving, off-road capability is still a major focus for SUVs. The 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor and 2025 Land Rover Defender Electric are proving that rugged utility and electrification can coexist. Expect to see improved all-terrain modes, adaptive suspension systems, and intelligent AWD setups that make conquering rough terrain easier than ever. Additionally, brands are incorporating lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber to enhance durability without sacrificing efficiency. The result: SUVs that can handle any adventure while still being fuel-efficient and eco-friendly. Sustainability is shaping the next generation of SUVs. Automakers are moving toward recycled materials, vegan leather interiors, and bio-based plastics to reduce their environmental impact. Expect more SUVs to feature solar roof panels, regenerative braking systems, and eco-friendly upholstery in 2025. For example, the 2025 Volvo EX90 is leading the way with a fully sustainable interior, using recycled PET bottles and natural fibers. Meanwhile, Toyota and Honda are developing hydrogen fuel cell SUVs that promise zero emissions without compromising range. The SUV segment is heading toward a future that's smarter, more efficient, and more stylish than ever before. With electrification, high-tech interiors, bold aerodynamics, and eco-friendly innovations, 2025 SUVs will redefine what we expect from family haulers, off-road beasts, and luxury cruisers alike. If you're planning to buy an SUV soon, keeping an eye on these trends will help you make an informed choice. What features are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Cars Jade for more insights on the future of automotive innovation.